The cooler than in Sri Lanka, so it's more suitable for cultivation crops. We have the tea garden there. We do the potato research here. So we are also today emerging as one of the biggest producer of potato ARCs, vertical root cutters, that is behind. And mushroom is of course the main one we are doing. So this is our shiitake. The altitude here would be about 200 meters higher than Sri Lanka.
So we are about what?
800 to 1400 now. Here it must be 1200.
Shillong peak is 40.
Shillong peak is 14, this is 12. Shillong would be about
8, 9.
start with.
Filter the steams now. These are all filtered. We will filter the steams. So steams will be everything will be set from here. So once it is done, it will be open from the back side. There's a cooling unit. In the room of inoculations will be there. So inoculations will be there. All these are if people are walking here, will be walking somewhere around 14 hours. All these machines here, so we are working 6 to 8 people. 40. So after 40, we are able to come down 20, even that is not ready. Right. Here in this
We have to think about it.
no, of course.
Yeah, that's right. But
So here, even we are operating only 3 or 4 in this area, we build this block. So this capacity can house to around 500. So in the new
when we started the project, we started with one auto, but then we decided that we are doing it, we might as well do the largest plant. So the capacity of this plant is 1000 blocks per day. So which means if you work 300 days, 3 lakh blocks per block.
This is the block. We make that last
Supervising certificates
after spells. From there we'll be shifting. This is an incubation room. So these are the blocks, ma'am, which we yes. Because this is an air filter, it have to get air. So
No, it has to get air is fine.
Yes,
But
yes.
you reclaim them on the body part.
Yes.
With only that much air getting in.
Yes, ma'am.
The top is closed?
Yes, ma'am. See.
Top is in. Yeah, that's okay. I get it. That's fine. So this is the only entry for it.
Yes.
And then what is the maximum size it blooms out?
We have
Sorry.
it grows basically. We have
So here we keep for 90 days. For 90 days it get incubation. Here it turns a little bit reddish brown colors. And then it will ooze also. If you see that oozing, it's come out, means you identify that it is right, now it's ready for distribution. So once we distribute, this is the day one, we have to put the plastic, 5 to 7 days there will be first flush, and then 7 to 10 days they harvesting, 11 days they change from top to bottom. So this is all the charge they given.
So they go by that.
They have to go by this one.
Okay, goes back.
So after they go by this one, then everything you will be seeing. Fruitings when it happens after the 15 days. So when I go for inspection, I ask them, when did you take? When is it? What is the date today? So you told me, oh, this 20 days. So I told them, have you insert the plate? So I know exactly what he's doing. So other people, so it is a time for harvesting. It's a time for
So that process of incubation inoculation and then bringing it here is 90 days.
Yes, yes, yes.
In this room, it was 3 or 9
No, no,
days.
no, no. That is,
This is in one day.
it goes to the farmer,
Yes,
and this farmer takes how many days? That chart has how many
This
days?
is 37 days, it will cycle, the cycle thing. So this farmers it will stay in a farmers for another 3 months. 3 months to
One
6
block.
months. Yes.
1 plus 90 plus 37
So,
days.
yeah.
So 3 months.
3 months.
Farmer is also 3 months is what is taken to actually produce the mushroom.
Okay, fine. So clean 6 months goes on.
Yes.
6
Yes.
months.
So
You
6
can-
months is a complete cycle.
Exactly. And this block we give typically 150 blocks per farm.
Per farmer.
Per farm. So each
Meaning, assume that he, per farmer,
Hmm.
for keeping that 150 size.
Yes.
in-
5
a small
meter,
room,
it's
not such a big.
a room of 5 meters length, 3 meters breadth. So Japanese people says that he'll be earning in 6 months somewhere from 60 to 80,000. So he'll have 2 cycles in a year. So which means that from that 5 room of 5 meter by 3 meter, he'll be earning somewhere a lakh plus by doing
And
very
that
minimal.
room has to be brick and mortar, or can it be a bamboo?
Specific, no.
Brick and
Brick
mortar
It will
is
be a brick and mortar
There
because
are
we have to
specific
maintain the temperature of
temperature.
18 to
Yes.
21,
While we
22.
started off, while we have the temperature advantage, it means temperature of 15 to 22 throughout. But then now here global warming is happening, so we also in Shillong, in Upper Shillong and all it's good, but in Shillong city it gets hotter. So in many of these places we need air conditioning also. So, but the beauty is that now 150 blocks, each one produces about 0.7 to 1 kilo. So let's say 1 kilo. So 150 kilos. 150 kilos multiplied with 1,000 rupees, or at farm gate, even if they are getting 700 rupees, as I said, it's 70,000, 1 lakh rupees per cycle. Maximum can go up to 2 lakh rupees income also. So this is the beauty of it, and now people are basically
So what do
selling.
you charge him for this?
We are charging
150 blocks that you give them,
150 rupees
150.
each block.
cost cultivation.
It doesn't cover our costs, but it's a subsidy. In agriculture, we have a 50% subsidy model. So I think our cost of production is roughly around 300 rupees per block. So we decided to do 150 per farm.
If you see for that walking cycle of the, see if it is 300 days or 1 year. So from 300 days, 1 year, they'll be walking maximum of almost 4 to 5 months. So they will become a
So
part-time.
what does it
part-time.
require the farmer to do other than opening the window, whatever?
Really.
Just follow this
That's
thing
why
and
it's
just
so
water.
easy.
He can still be doing his
He
farm.
can be doing other things.
Multiple
Yeah.
cropping continues.
It's like almost having plants at home. See, that's the, not just this mushroom. I mean, this is the easiest. The other ones also are like similar.
But there
Oyster
are others
water.
which are even more expensive.
Yes.
Than shiitake.
Yes.
No,
Shiitake is the
is the most
expensive.
expensive.
Others, ma'am, this is the Hasians. When he started, he was just 40,000 or 4,000. So he started with 50 bricks. And in 1 year, he made 76,000. So like this person from West Hasians, this is 100 kilometers from here where he is standing. So he started at 20,000. So he ended up in 1 year, 1,25,000. So on and so forth, keep on going.
I'll just show you in logs.
3 blocks.
Yes, 2004 I started this, in 2004. But then it's very laborious when in logs. So if we can grow in these called synthetic logs. That is natural logs. If you grow in synthetic logs, means it's very easy to maintain, easy to handle. And in 6 months it will finish. Whereas in the logs, it is 1 year per inch. So if you have a 6 logs, 6-inch logs, it will take 6 years for it to produce. It means that it will keep on coming out. In a year, it will produce 3 times
So
in
the
a log.
logs like for producing spawns, meaning I love it, for mushrooms to grow on them. It's about 6 years.
If you have a 6-inch log, so if you have a 4-inch, it will be 4 years. If you have a 10-inch, it will be 10 years.
Yeah, but post that period, that log cannot anymore produce.
No,
Or
then it
anymore
becomes
able to grow
compost.
thicker.
It has another usage.
You just have to throw it also. You cannot burn because it's all soft.
And that finally works out to be the same, or this is more log consuming and that is less log consuming. Has that been established?
I think this is more log consuming, but it's easier for the farmer.
Easier for the farmer.
That is less log consuming.
We need to grow the tree.
Because that
we need
means
to-
you're losing
yeah.
more trees.
Yes.
This one is sustainable.
It's more sustainable, but again,
Laborious.
laborious.
So, but then we're using other materials.
Blocks.
No, we're taking only the branch, only a branch. For growing synthetic logs, we need only the branch. If it is 2 inches, so you have to chips it. You have to make it to a dust, sawdust. It becomes chips. Then we can grow this. No? Whereas in a natural logs, you have to take at least minimum is 3 inches.
We have some ladies also, ma'am.
You're also growing mushrooms? Is this somebody who's been there for some years?
Bagus nem pila. Hilawan ka nakadakhan ko. Sita ke abi kinikiway ki.
Batai itu last lang how many years? Baru 600 mula persiang tambah. Kemudian mendapat
Ask her. Other than mushroom, you have dairy,
Multiple bidder.
Ris yang ris dia punya ya jor
It's multiple of food.
rapiso.
So he's a city boy.